Welcome to Gracie Beb channel. I'm going to make some yellow corn maja. That's the recipe for this time. And the ingredients are as follows: the grated coconut, the yellow corn powder, the vanilla, the brown sugar, the condensed milk, evap, and the rice cooker MP5 Saladmaster. Gagatain natin siya. So I will put some 1/2 cup of warm water. This is the warm water. Medyo it's so hot. For this to easy to squeeze the coconut milk. So I'm gonna squeeze this one. Mix natin so we can squeeze the coconut in the grated. So the grated coconut here. This big coconut. My daughter loves to eat this one. She likes this. When I was still small, my grandmother and my lola, she teach us to eat this one to serve as our deworming natural remedies. There you go. It's not that hot anymore. So using your hand, you have to squeeze this one like this, squeezing the grated coconut. Using the strainer to get the pure liquid of coconut milk. So there you go. Continue doing it. This is the first gata or coconut milk. And then we have to, next is the second gata after the first one. Adding some plain water, 2 cups of plain water for the second gata. Continue to squeeze the remaining to get more coconut milk for the second time. We're gonna use this one first together with the cornstarch powder. The yellow corn powder. Do the same process just like the first gata. Continue squeezing it until you get the juice or the coconut milk. There you go. Now done with the second gata. So let's go to mixing. Here the first gata and set aside it. Set aside first, then the second gata. So we will mix the second gata together with the yellow corn powder first. Two cups of coconut milk with 1 cup of yellow corn. There you go. Mix, mix, mix. 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Adding 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Then stir. Slowly start mixing using the wooden ladle. And then next is the 1 cup of evaporated milk, followed by 1/2 cup of condensed milk. Mixing it together, combine it all together for the better results. 1/4 cup teaspoon of salt to taste. Then continue mixing all the ingredients using the wooden ladle to combine properly all together for better results. Now we're ready to cook for 25 minutes in 230 centigrade. So while waiting for that to cook, we will make the second part of the ingredients, which combining the first pure gata together with the cornstarch, 1 cup cornstarch powder. So slowly add the 1 cup cornstarch powder into the mixing bowl. Slowly mix it together, stirring all together using the wooden ladle or spoon. Combine it properly, and then we will strain it for better result, for fine texture. And don't forget to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavor. We need to add some flavor, the vanilla liquid there, before combining it to the first mixture. Then set it aside first, and let's check if it's ready to be added and combined in the first mixture. There you go, almost done. Stir until the cornmeal is cooked and well mixed. We find a good texture there before adding the second mixture. Trivia says yellow cornmeal consists of dried corn kernels that have been ground in fine textures. Did you know that yellow corn before, here in the Philippines, this is very famous during 80s and 90s as one of the foods supplied by the government to improve the nutrition of the children, particularly those who were in the elementary level. Before I experienced this one, the yellow corn, the feeding program. So, pag hashtag to batang 80s and 90s, pag relate ka, I will gonna add the first gata together with this first gata. Continue mixing and then pour it here like this. Continue mixing and pour it slowly. The first gata there. This one. at that. This one. That's the maha. Look at this. Look at the timer. Stop already, so there you go. We're done. This one. So we will put it here. There you go. My maha, yellow corn maha. That's it, my yellow corn maha. There you go. That's yum yum yum. There you go. My Maja yellow corn is here. Maja yellow corn is here. This is my Maja yellow corn. What's it?
Yummy.
How's the yellow corn? Maja yellow corn?
Yes.
You like it, Alex?
Yes.
Can you give Kuya Jess?
Huh?
You give Kuya Jess.